It's great to know that you can show up to a community of women and men who support them and know that anything can be discussed, everybody's going to be cool. It's just a good, inclusive, interesting, fun place to hang out and geek out about 3D printing. My name is Mara Hitner and I'm the Director of Business Development at Matter Hackers.
Events like this are so important. For women especially, it's important for us to have a network and a community to rely on and share and be proud of what we're working on. So it feels very supportive to be a part of this. Hi, my name is Chloe Taylor and I'm the founder of Chloe Taylor Technology.
Printer is a tool that empowers you. It opens your dreams, it opens your thought process. It's actually giving you wings to making anything possible. I am Shweta. I am co-founder for a 3D printing company based out of New Jersey called 3Educators.
I met so many different people that work in 3D printing and modeling and just in industry, in craft. The 3D printing community is small, but it's really powerful, so it's so great to connect with everyone here.
Women in 3D printing has just been a really great opportunity to open up the conversation between women, but also with men and women, bringing to light some of the really powerful stories of successes that people have had in the industry, and also maybe some things that we all need to do a little bit better.
Have these communities more educated about how to use technology, how to solve real-life problems, how to have women empower themselves.
And as long as those kinds of conversations are being encouraged and there's a safe place to have them, the industry just rises and everybody rises with it.
Topics like computer science, 3D printing, robotics, electronics are super important to the future of work and necessary for what we do today.
3D printing is not just a machine sitting there, it's a tool that can fulfill your dreams.